Hey everybody, quick video here. We're at the railroad crossing on Hepperman Road, Wentzville, Missouri. Rumor has it this is going to be closed for the next 24 to 36 hours while they do some repair. Let's do a before and after. Yeah, she needs it. She needs it. I drive over this all the time and it is really rough. The traffic here. All right, see if we can get across. Man, I don't even know if this is safe for a train. The other side, big drop off. Yeah, that's a pretty good look at it. Lots of temporary repairs over the years. But we'll come back when it's done and see what it looks like. And just like that, we're back. They did a nice job here. Smooth as butter. Take a look the other direction. Oh yeah. It's the little things. Nice smooth railroad crossing after all these years. Gotta love it. Whoever fixed it, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.